Ontario, Canada, December 12, 2024.
Morning, 11 a.m. My hubby just did the driveway and the snow is just dumping.
Look at the front of the house during this blizzard that we're having.
Environment Canada is warning that snow squalls and blizzards in places north and west of the Greater Toronto Area could make travel nearly impossible at times in the next couple of days. The weather agency has issued snow squall warnings spanning much of Ontario's cottage country, including Orangeville, Orillia, Barrie, Owen Sound, Huntsville and Parry Sound, along with Bruce Peninsula and Grey County. The warnings say some areas may see peak snowfall rates of 5 to 10 centimeters per hour, and some places could see an accumulation of up to 80 centimeters by Friday. The agency says lake-effect snow squalls have developed off Lake Huron and Georgian Bay, and strong winds gusting up to 70 kilometers per hour are expected to accompany the snow squalls on Thursday morning. It says heavy snow and blowing snow could lead to poor or zero visibility at times. The agency says travel under the heaviest snow squalls is expected to be difficult to nearly impossible during intense snowfall, and advises those traveling to make emergency preparations.
I'm gonna be in it, bruh.
It's a winter wonderland in our backyard.
The setup for hazardous, lake-effect snow squalls in Ontario's snowbelt regions prompted Environment and Climate Change Canada, ECCC, to issue blizzard warnings for several areas surrounding Lake Huron, including Owen Sound, Blue Mountains and Saugeen Shores. Lake-effect snow squalls off Lake Huron and Georgian Bay will continue Thursday in the wake of a strong cold front. For areas near Lake Huron, blizzard conditions likely to continue into Thursday morning. Strong, westerly winds gusting from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour will accompany the snow squalls, resulting in widespread, blowing snow and significantly reduced visibility that will make travel quite treacherous, if not impossible. The hardest hit regions could see 30-50 plus cm of snow, so major impacts to travel, including road closures, are likely for areas east and southeast of Lake Superior and Huron, as well as Georgian Bay. Highway 21, from Asheville to Southampton, has been closed Thursday morning.
Put the snow. She's snowing and blowing.
Be sure to stay up to date on the weather warnings in your area, especially as conditions start to deteriorate. A blizzard warning has been issued for Kincardine, Owen Sound, Hanover and surrounding regions near Lake Huron and southern Georgian Bay.
It's our birdhouse. We've never had that much snow on it.
Snow squalls continue off Lake Huron and Georgian Bay, affecting much of Highways 10, 21, 26 and parts of the 400 by Thursday morning. Some bursts of snow could reach the northern Greater Toronto Area, GTA, and parts of the 401 during the late morning and into the afternoon. Similar snowbelt regions are being affected again, but this time, the winds will be changeable. That means squalls will be more on the move than the last events. In Atlantic Canada, cold air moving over the warmer Atlantic Ocean can create sea-effect snow squalls. Similarly, Manitoba's lakes are known to produce significant snowfalls during the winter months, Hull said. However, Ontario's Great Lakes region is among the most active areas for snow squalls in the world, due to its geographical landscape. The size and placement of the lakes allow for snow squalls to form in a variety of different wind patterns, often hitting regions like Barrie and London the hardest.
Will it ever end?
Weather experts advise drivers to monitor weather forecasts closely and stay alert for snow squall warnings. Intense bands of lake effect snow generating significant amounts of accumulation, Atchison added. Some areas are seeing 40 to 80 centimeters as some of the squalls come in, and such set up shop, rather as we head into the afternoon and evening.
Pretty much white out conditions. The wind is not even blowing that hard right now, but